Sa akin po kasi parang it's a sentimental journey to be back at Diluna. As I was telling you a while ago, it was in Diluna where I got my second life. No? Come December 3 will be my 34 years of borrowed life. Everything that I was doing when I was still in this adaptive service, it's really love for country. I was plucked from the morgue of the Quirón Labor Hospital in 1989. I was clinically dead. I was transferred to Diluna, and I stayed at the surgical intensive care unit. The fact na binuhay tayo ni Lord, meron pa rin siyang gustong pagawa sa atin. And let's thank the Lord, buhay pa rin tayo. At pag sinabing may buhay, kahit pa paano may pag-asa pa tayo.